A bit of earth. She wants a little bit of earth. She'll plant some seeds. The seeds will grow, the flowers bloom, but is their bounty what she needs? How can she chance to love a little bit of earth? Does she not know? The earth is old and doesn't care if one small gal wants things to grow. She needs a friend, she needs a father, brother, sister, mother's arms. She needs to laugh, she needs to dance and learn to work her girlish charms. She needs a home, the only thing she really needs I cannot give. Instead she asks a bit of earth to make it live. She should have a pony, gallop across the moor. She should have a doll's house with 100 rooms per floor. Why can't she ask for a treasure, something that money can buy that won't die? When I give her the world, she asks instead for some earth. A bit of earth, she wants a little bit of earth, she'll plant some seeds. The seeds will grow, the flowers bloom, their beauty just the thing she needs. She'll grow to love the tender roses, lilies fair, the iris tall. And then in fall, a bit of earth will freeze and kill them all. A bit of earth